Summer is here, and that means time for getting outdoors and playing with friends. We call it GoNoodle, GoSummer. Here are some of my best GoNoodle friends with another fun song for you to move along with us.
Come on, guys. Let's go to the city. Let's do it in the city! Yeah! Knicky, knacky, knacky, new! I point to myself. What do I see? That is my think tanker. What else would it be? Think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my peeper. What else would it be? Peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my stick smeller. What else would it be? Stick smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my chase chomper. What else would it be? Chase chomper, think smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my neck nodder. What else would it be? Neck nodder, chase chomper, think smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my blood beater. What else would it be? Blood beater, neck nodder, chase chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my sleeve slider. What else would it be? Sleeve slider, blood beater, neck nodder, chase chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my food filler. What else would it be? Food filler, sleeve slider, blood beater, neck nodder, chase chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my seat softener. What else would it be? Seat softener, food filler, sleeve slider, blood beater, neck nodder, chase chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my knee knocker. What else would it be? Knee knocker, seat softener, food filler, sleeve slider, blood beater, neck nodder, chase chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. I point to myself. What do I see? That is my shoe stomper. What else would it be? Shoe stomper, knee knocker, seat softener, food filler, sleeve slider, blood beater, neck nodder, cheese chomper, stink smeller, peeper, think tanker, Knicky, knacky, knacky, new. That's what I learned in GoNoodle school. Yeah, we learned a lot.
We really did.
How to make a paper airplane that flies far. You'll need a rectangular piece of paper, any color. Step 1. Fold the paper in half the long way.
Captain Rat Chat preparing for takeoff, dude!
Step 2. Open it up and fold one corner down so the edge meets the center line. Step 3. Fold the other corner so the two edges meet.
Checking engines and approaching runway, brah.
Step 4. Fold the top edges so they meet the center line. Step 5. Fold the plane in half.
Time to put up your tray tables and fasten those seatbelts.
Step 6. Fold the wings down so the top edge meets the bottom edge of the plane. Step 7. Use double-sided tape inside the body to hold it together.
Lift off in 3, 2.
Step 8. Pinch the bottom and fly the plane.
Whoa, bro. It looks like the plane is flying right towards me. Oh, it totally is. Mayday, mayday.
Do the airplane exercise. Put your leg up and behind you and use your arms for balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you can, fly like an airplane. Try it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How to make a balloon dog. You'll need a long balloon and a deep breath. Or a balloon pump.
Breathe to achieve.
Step 1. Blow up the balloon until you have a 3-inch tail at the end. Then tie the other end in a knot. Sometimes it's a little tough to tie the knot. Step 2. Wrap your hand around the side you just tied and twist, so you have about a 3-inch bubble. Step 3. Move your hand down and twist again so you have 2 3-inch bubbles in a row. Step 4. Do the same thing one more time so you have 3 3-inch bubbles in a row. Twist, twist, twist. Step 5. Bring the second 2 bubbles together and twist them to hold them in place. Check it out! Your dog has a head!
I wonder if this dog can do downward dog.
Step 6. Hold the balloon dog at its neck. Be gentle and twist 3 more 3-inch bubbles. 1, twist. 2, twist, twist. 3, twist, twist, twist. Step 7. Bring the first 2 bubbles together, like this, pinch and twist, twist. Voila! Front legs. Step 8. Pinch and twist 3 more times to make 3 more 3-inch bubbles. 1 bubble, twist, twist. Another bubble, twist, twist, twist. The third bubble, twist, twist, twist. Step 9. Bring the last 2 bubbles together, pinch and twist, twist, twist. Voila! Back legs. And bam, you just made a balloon dog.
No way! How cute is that balloon dog? I mean, balloon dogs are so zen.
Give your balloon dog a doggy high five.
Doggy high fives, good doggy high fives. Doggy high fives, give a doggy high five. The dog got married. Give your back a high five. The dog had a ginormous tongue. Give the floor a high five. The dog stared at donuts. Give your face a high five. The dog's head was poofy. Give the wall a high five. Oh. Doggy high fives, give a doggy high five. Who's a good doggy?
How to blow a grass trumpet.
We in the music scene call that a grumpet, you dig?
You'll need a wide blade of grass and your thumbs. Step 1. Pick a blade of grass. The wider, the better. Step 2. Hold the grass on its side between your thumbs. Step 3. Blow into the space between your thumbs. The grass will vibrate and make a trumpet sound.
I love the sweet sounds of the grumpet. Add some drums and a guitar, and you've got yourself a grass band. You dig?
Do the grass trumpet dance.
How to make a fortune teller. You'll need a pen, 4 different color markers, and a square piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece, make one. Fold down a corner of a rectangular piece, forming a triangle. Fold the remaining rectangular piece one way, then the other. Again, and again, and again, and again, and again, forming a deep crease. Rip off the rectangular piece and open the triangle. Check it out, a square! Now onto the fortune teller. Step 1. Fold the paper in half, and then in half again, creating crease lines. Step 2. Fold the paper in half diagonally, and then diagonally again, then open. See? More creases.
Hey, I can predict the future. You're gonna fold that paper again.
Step 3. Fold the top right corner so the point is in the middle of the square.
Told ya.
Step 4. Do the same with the other 3 corners. Fold, fold, fold. Step 5. Turn the smaller square over and fold down the top corner to the middle of the square. Step 6. Do the same with the other 3 corners. Fold, fold, fold.
I predict more folding.
Step 7. Fold the new, even smaller square in half.
Right again.
Step 8. Slide your thumbs and your pointers under each flap and use them to open and close your fortune teller. Hello. Step 9. Flip over your fortune teller and label each square with 4 colors: orange, green, purple, blue. Step 10. Flip it over and label all 8 triangles with a number. Step 11. Open up all of the flaps and write predictions like, yep, no way, possibly, definitely, probably not, in your dreams, yeah, you know it, and sorry, no dice. Step 12. Fold it back up, put your fingers in, and find a friend. Have your friend ask a yes-no question like, does this fortune teller really predict the future? Tell them to pick a color.
Purple.
And spell it out as you move the fortune teller. Purple.
Purple is my favorite color!
Tell them to pick a number.
4.
No way! I was going to say 4.
And move the fortune teller that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell them to pick another number.
7.
No way! I was going to say 7.
And move the fortune teller that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tell them to pick one last number.
2.
No way! Wait, actually, no. I wasn't going to say 2. I was going to say 6. Oh well.
Open the flap for your answer. Does this fortune teller really predict the future? Yeah, you know it.
Wait, what did it say for 6? Hello? Hello? Where did everyone go?
Want to learn how to make snacks, do tricks, draw things, and more? Then download the GoNoodle app and join us for GoNoodle GoSummer. We've got new how-to videos and GoNoodle house parties every week, all summer long. GoNoodle will show you how to
Have the best summer ever.
Moose Fabio and everyone at GoNoodle wants you to know how proud we are of you and all of your hard work for another school year. Whew. We hope you have a fun, safe, GoNoodle, GoSummer, because you earned it. See you soon. Ciao.